Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist worldwide.
No other agent can serve you better now.
Welcome to 3561 East Lake Road in Canandaigua.
This is a spectacular, newer architect-designed ranch home nearby everything Canandaigua Lake has to offer.
Hi, I'm Rich Testa.
And I'm Rob Testa. Let's take a tour. Why build when you can have this newer home that is loaded with all the high-end finishes and features phenomenal open living? With a designer white and bright kitchen with soft close craft-made cabinetry, granite countertops, top-of-the-line stainless steel appliances, a walk-in pantry, and a center island breakfast bar. Open to the entertainment-sized living room with a gorgeous gas fireplace with a marble surround and a recessed ceiling with crown molding. A dining room with a bay window, an executive office with French doors, and a sunroom with a wall of windows and transom windows, all with soaring 10-foot ceilings and beautiful hardwood floors. Relax in this luxurious primary suite, overlooking the private backyard, with an extravagant bathroom with an expansive double vanity with leathered granite countertops, a skylight, a tiled shower, and an unbelievable walk-in closet with hardwood floors. This is luxurious living. The first floor also features a separate bedroom wing with a spacious bedroom with an adjacent full bathroom with a granite vanity, plus a convenient laundry room with high-end countertops and cabinetry. This is the ultimate finished walkout lower level with an expansive bonus room with a gas fireplace and a granite kitchen area, 2 spacious bedrooms, a gorgeous full bathroom, a stunning laundry room, and great storage. A perfect in-law suite with all the high-end finishes everywhere you look.
This quality-built home has excellent craftsmanship and is evident in all the details.
This stunning newer ranch home features exquisite landscaping and curb appeal, with beautiful stone veneers leading to the covered entry with a pocket view of Canandaigua Lake, plus an expansive rear patio overlooking the tree-lined backyard and private over half-an-acre lot. What a premier location, minutes to the city of Canandaigua with gorgeous Canandaigua Lake.
Canandaigua is a great place to live.
There's always something fun to do, whether it's enjoying the many restaurants and shops, a concert at CMAC, or a stroll through Kershaw Park. Water activities are a blast on Canandaigua Lake.
In all seasons, this area has a lot to offer. Here we are at Bristol Mountain, a great place to ski, just minutes away from Canandaigua Lake. At the end of the day, life is sweet on Canandaigua Lake.
Could you imagine living here? It would be amazing! Well, I hope you enjoyed the tour of 3561 East Lake Road in Canandaigua.
This is one of the many special properties offered by Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist worldwide.
Cheers to living here!